Welcome back to Mira Education. In the previous video, we discussed about class 12th IP syllabus 2026-27. In this class, we are going to clear our basics in Python. Okay, so let's start with the first question without wasting time. What is a Python? Python is a high level programming language. As we know, we are having different programming languages, in a computer, like low level, middle level. Okay, and this language we are using because it's easy to learn and use, like English sentences. Okay, used in Python, used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning. Okay, what are the features of Python? Is simple and readable syntax, interpreted language, platform independent, and open source. Okay, simple and readable syntax, like anyone can read the syntax and they can understand like what's written there. Okay, interpreted means it will print line by line, it will work, it will interpret your code line by line. Okay, as we know, the Java and all our other languages are compiler language, it will compile at once and then it will run. Okay, but this Python is an interpreted language, platform independent, and it's open source. There is no the need of license to run this Python. Okay, we are having few keywords like reserved words with special meaning. Python languages are having is having Python keywords which are having reserved words and they are having special meaning. Okay, like if, else, for, while, true, false, and there are lots of other keywords available in a Python dictionary. Okay, now the variable or identifier we can say. Okay, used to store data, no need to declare data type. In the Python, no need to declare data type, like we are declaring in a Java, C++, like which kind of data we are going to take from an user, right? In the same way, in this we no need to declare any data type, simply we are assigning a variable here like x, and we are storing a value here 10, and there is a name is a variable and Ravi is a value here. Okay, so we are storing a data. We are having different types of data types like integer, like float, str, and bool. Okay, is integer all negative and positive number without a fractional part, float with a fractional part, str which is in this we can write in three ways like this. Okay, double quote, single quote, and triple quote. Okay, in this way we can write our this language. Okay, and boolean in this true and second is false, and the both letter in the both this data type, true T is capital and F is capital and false. Okay, so we can assign our data to the variable A 10, B is this is float. Okay, hello this is string, and D is true, it means this is boolean data type. Okay, we are having input and output. Like how we can take input output, it's very simple. This is our variable name, identifier name. Input is a function. Okay, it's used to take input from an user. Okay, by default Python takes as a string. If you want to change this in an integer or float, in this way we can change. Let's suppose I want to change in the integer, so we will typecast. This is called a typecasting. Okay, in this way enter your name, integer always be a number. Let's suppose age. Okay, so enter your age like this, and in the same way if you want to take a float, you will typecast with float. Okay, you will typecast with a float and enter. Let's suppose enter your percentage. Okay, so in this way we can do the typecasting. Okay, and we can take output we can take input in the different data types. Okay, so this is quite simple, and this is a function, print function. Without this we cannot see the output on our output screen. Okay, operators we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, module, floor division. Okay, and the OR operation, comparison, greater than, not equal, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, like all comparison operators we have in this Python. Conditional statement, this is the example of conditional. Let's suppose age is a variable here and data we storing 18. This is if, else, and elif. We are having three conditional statement in the Python, and we are comparing values based on the comparison operators. Okay, then loops, comes under a Python for loop, while loop, for I in range. It's quite simple. If you don't know, just comment me, I'll teach you for loops as well as this conditional statement, operators, everything. Okay. Then functions. Def is a keyword, this is predefined keyword which is used to define our function, and greet is a function name, okay, which is user defined function we called, and we are calling function here in the this thing. Then we are having few data structures like list. This is the, in the square bracket we use to store data in the form of list, okay, we are having. So this is the very basic of, we are having different data structure like tuple, like we are having set, okay, like we are having dictionary. So we'll all learn one by one, okay. So this is the basic of Python. You should know at least before starting your class 12th, 11th or any subject, any Python course, you must know this thing, this basic knowledge, okay. So koi bhi query ho, you can comment me, I'll let you know, I'll message you, I'll reply your messages, okay. Thanks for watching our new channel. Subscribe and share our video and channel. Thank you.